literally don't feel anything. Hey guys, I'm here at LaserAway. I'm here for laser hair removal. It's kind of been a while, so I'm here for a maintenance trip, and I'm gonna take you along with me. Let's go. So I'm in the treatment room now, and I love laser hair removal because I only really have to shave like every 3 months, and when I do shave, it's super thin, like I can barely see it. So I'm excited, and I'm loving the results so far. So my nurse is here now, and we're about to get started. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Feels cold. Yeah, all I feel is cold. Okay, so she's on my left arm now, and you know, I do have a really high pain tolerance, but I don't feel a thing. Doesn't hurt at all. Honestly, like plucking my eyebrows hurts more. I literally don't feel anything.
2, 1. How does this feel?
I don't feel any pain at all. It's just cold. Feels just like cold air.
Oh, good. On a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being like excruciating pain, how would you rate it?
Like -4. 0 pain. It's almost enjoyable, if I'm being honest. Yeah, it just feels like cold air. Like my legs are on a fast roller coaster and the wind is hitting them. But there's no... I don't feel anything like really physically except cold air. No pain, nothing. You can honestly turn up the machine if you want.
You're at the high setting, actually.
I'm at the high setting?
Yeah. Since you've already had treatments before.
I'm like, blow up the machine. Yeah, so is there anything that I should avoid or be mindful of after the treatment today?
Yeah, so for the next 24 hours, no exercising, pools, or saunas.
Okay, I can do that.
Yeah, and then you just want to be really good with sunscreen if you're going to be outside, and avoid laying out in the sun for the next couple days.
Got it. So what exactly does laser hair removal do?
So the laser is going in and burning that hair follicle, and basically once that hair follicle is burned, it won't grow back, or it'll grow back thinner and finer, and so we'll continue to do that until the hair follicle is gone.
Wow.
So that's why it's recommended to come in every 6 weeks for the set of 8 treatments, just so we can be on top of that hair growth.
Every 6 to 8 weeks is recommended?
Every 6 weeks for 8 treatments.
Oh, got it. You think after 8 treatments, usually you're good for a while?
Yeah, usually at that point you have around to 80% hair reduction. So then after that, you can just continue your maintenance treatments.
And maintenance would be how often?
That varies from person to person, but usually around 3 treatments per year.
Oh, okay. So should I shave before the appointment or wax, or what's best?
So you want to shave 12 to 24 hours before your treatment.
Okay. And is waxing good for it too?
No, you don't want to wax before laser hair removal, just because then you're getting rid of that hair follicle, so we won't have anything to burn.
Okay. Then you're making like a new follicle.
Yeah, exactly. We're waiting for like that next follicle to grow.
Got it. It's crazy. I actually bought my first laser hair removal package when I was 18.
Yeah.
And I did like 10 sessions and it didn't work at all. And then when I was about 22, I bought another package somewhere else, maybe like 8 sessions, it didn't work at all. And then I started doing LaserAway about a year and a half ago, and it's the only thing that's actually shown me any kind of difference and a lasting result. So it's crazy. So now I'm hooked. A member for life.
I love that.
Can't go anywhere else, can't trust anywhere else.
Perfect. So your legs are all done, so now we're going to move on to the Brazilian.
Now onto my Brazilian. So I just finished my laser hair removal maintenance treatment here at LaserAway, and honestly, I think that I'm just really used to it. It didn't hurt at all. Underarms felt like a massage. Legs just felt cold air, and my Brazilian, which is usually the spiciest, honestly didn't feel a thing. And she was really quick. I loved my nurse, and I'll be back. Thanks, LaserAway. See you soon.
Need more aesthetics in your life? Of course you do.
3 steps. 1. Subscribe to our channel. 2. Watch more amazing videos. And 3. Schedule a free virtual consultation for any of our services by clicking the link below. What are you waiting for?